Hello students, we are doing integration based concepts in physics. So, dear students, ds upon dt is equal to velocity v. If ds is displacement, to ds upon dt is equal to velocity. So ds is equal to v into dt. Mark it one. Integrating both sides with proper limit. When time is 0, displacement is 0. When time is t, displacement is s. Right? Integration of ds 0 to s v, that is u plus at into dt 0 to t. Now students, integration of ds 0 to s, u constant initial velocity 0 to t, a constant t dt 0 to t, ds is s 0 to s u, dt is t 0 to t a. This is t to power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, 0 to t. If you write just t, it is t to power 1. So upper limit minus lower limit u, t minus 0, 1 plus 1, 2, a upon 2, t square minus 0 square. This is s is equal to ut plus half at square. So this is the equation of motion we get using integral calculus. Which equation? S is equal to ut plus half at square. See students, this is the role of integration in physics, as it is reverse of differentiation. Hope it is clear. Just in 2 minutes and 38 seconds you get it. Short lectures.